저 색깔이 좀 더 많아서. 가미가? 언니도 그거 넣어봐, 빨대.
Brother,
Guys, I'm leaving after like 1.5 hours of studying because I'm so hungry. My stomach is growling so much. I'm so hungry.
Hi guys, I'm currently at IKEA right now. I'm in the washroom of IKEA and I finished my test and I came home at around like 9 and my mom dragged me to IKEA. I told her I wanted to take a nap because I was so sleepy, but I'm here looking for a chair for my sister because she needs a new chair. So yeah. 이거? 아니야, 얘 불편해. 얘 팔이 없잖아, 팔.
팔이 불편하구나.
얘는 몸이 얼마나 길어야 돼? 이거. 되게 잘 돼, 이거. 여기까지 와. 엄청 편한데? 두 개 다? 어떤 게 더 낫지? 근데 얘가 좀 더 예쁘다, 그치? 저 색깔이 좀 더 많아서. 찍히고 있어. currently 5 p.m. right now, and I came home at I think around like 11, maybe 12-ish from IKEA with my mom. And after that, we just built furniture. So like we just built whatever we bought. So like a lot of chairs and stuff. I also bought bookshelf for my textbooks. If you know, you know, but I have a lot of textbooks that's just lying around because it doesn't have a home yet. Let me show you guys. So these are all my textbooks. I just did not know where to put it, so I just left everything here. It's extremely messy. So that big thing right there, that's my bookshelf. I haven't built it yet. I know it's gonna take me time, and I did not want to spend another hour building things when I already spent more than enough time building chairs for my living room. So I'm gonna study for my anatomy test tomorrow.
I love a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time, can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me what's on your mind. Oh baby, when I lay my eyes on you from afar, I could swear I thought you fell from the stars. Think about you day and night, girl, even when you're not around. I don't want it if it's not with you. Hey, I'm just keeping it straight, cause you got me feeling distracted. Let me show you the way, girl, I don't take it for granted. Why can't we just give it a go? Infatuated more than you know. I want you near with the same point of view. I'm always ready, so call me over. We're meant to be like the sun and the moon. I just want
It's a gloomy day. Hey guys, it's 6:45 right now a.m. I'm in the school parking lot again. Before I go in for clinic, I'm just looking through my notes, and I'm just trying to do some reviews. Innate defenses are something that we're born with. 2 types of virulence. Number 1, how aggressive the pathogen is. Number 2, phagocytosis is eating white blood cell that take in and engulf foreign material. 오시카야겠다. Hi guys, don't mind how I look right now. I just came out of clinic, and it was actually kind of fun today. I finally started debriding, which is like actually scaling and cleaning teeth. This whole time it was like the basic boring stuff, like well, not boring, it's mandatory, but you know, like what's it called, like health history, you know, all that stuff. I only did the first quad. There's quad 1, 2, 3, 4. So I did the first quad, the facial side and the lingual side, which is like the back side. Yeah, that was really nice. And now I'm back in my car. It's 2:23 and my test starts at 3:30. So I'm here to do some final review. Yeah, I really like that I got parking pass, because I can just come to my car when I have time and just kind of like even take a nap if I need to, or when I need some quiet time. I like coming here. Oh my god, my hair looks so funny. Okay, I'm gonna do it later. Anyways, I'm gonna study. The first defense against invading organisms include chemical and mechanical barriers. Innate barriers include skin, mucous membranes, body secretions, and 하나 더 있어. 뭐지? It's no IgG because it's IgG plus our transition from IgG to IgG plus